my gosh. Anyway, so obviously they had some issues. Lots of bread. Probably should have just taken this whole thing. I don't know if any of this is any good, but why would this have to be refrigerated, right? Some frozen dog treats. Dang it. Take all the brioche buns. Just, all right. Are you gonna just take the whole thing? All right. Sad. Oh, really? How do you know? Okay, come on, let's go. Yep. There's another one. They had the power go out here and all this is ruined.
It's gonna stink soon. A lot of fish sticks over here. It's a shame.
All right.
These are apparently all broken.
Oh, sad.
Although this one, I don't know what part's broken, but I can hear stuff rattling around.
What could it be? It's broken on the bottom.
Crayons and stuff. Oh, it's
Look at this. Does it light up? Huh?
Got a skeleton missing one leg. A pelican missing two.
I see a sock.
Jokes, riddles, games. A single sock for the camera.
What about this?
I didn't see that. Cracked bowl.
Alrighty, I don't see nothing good.
Guess what day it is, peeps? It's the day we fill the blessing box.
And my God, it has been pouring for days.
So we're trying to work between the storms.
is not going to get wet.
But
Packaging is everything in America.
it is important.
I wish we would get away from that and we would have less waste, but
Ooh.
I know a lot of people whose jobs it used to be to design this kind of, to design packaging, and I actually had an interest in it a long time ago.
A bit of canned goods.
Stokely's. We tried out this, it was pretty good.
Yes.
We had nachos a couple times.
We did. I'm gonna make a macaroni and cheese casserole too, I think. Oh, speaking of macaroni.
This one's wet.
Not too bad.
It's starting to get really hot and muggy.
Sure is. Glad this is our last one. Oh, this is the one with the snack cheese.
All right, we got those 3 done. Hopefully we can make it back before we run out of gas.
Or hit the next storm.
I don't see nothing.
Oh
Ew,
my. Big meat.
lots of meats.
Big meat report. But nothing we can take.
No, there's some bread.
More bread for the critters. It's kind of moldy.
Because it's good heavy scrap. Where are you? Oh,
Right here.
all right, wait a minute. Okay. Huh. All right, good.
Mine a little bit at an angle. So.
All right.
A ringy dingy on the scrap.
Okay, you want to unhook her?
All right.
This is what we found. We got a skeleton, jokes and riddles, crayons, cake.
They're actually not crayons. They're Crayola Band-Aids.
Ooh, they're bandages. I was like, where are they? Oh, they're in there. So
All
we got
kinds of
some
pastries
strawberry
and cakes.
cheesecake, lemon. Let's see, raspberry, marble.
Marble. That iced marble looks really
We
good.
got a whole case of brioche buns. Those are very good, and they're not cheap over there. Let's see. What's their Best Buy? $8.26.
That's very recent.
All right.
And then we got a little bit more moldy bread for the critters.
All right, Zinni, what do you think? No, that's not for you.
She said she's ready.
Time for the prayer list.
All right. Oh, we got some happy birthdays too. Happy birthday to Mark, who turned 9 years old on August 22nd.
Woo!
He is the grandson of 670M's vlog. So happy birthday, Mark. Happy birthday to Jules, the lovely wife of Layla Jerry. She turned 65 on September 4th, and they've
Happy
been together
birthday.
for 24 years. Happy birthday, Jules. Okay, now the prayers. Ruby Robinson asks that we keep her in our prayers. Please pray for Kay Lapsley. She recently lost both of her senior cats.
Aw.
670M's vlog needs prayers due to thyroid issues and mouth cancer, and she's being seen by an ENT again. Barbara Everett would like prayers for her friend Wendy, who is in a lot of pain from dental surgery, just got over a back infection, and her dad just had his second brain surgery. Wendy's going through a lot, so prayers for Wendy. Maria Ortez needs prayers. She just got out of the hospital and is still in a lot of pain and feeling weak and has no one nearby to help her get food. And Sally asked for prayers for her niece Bernadette, who has cancer. Joy Ridow asks that we continue prayers for her friend Dee, who found out she has cancer. Prayers for LeeAnn Laidlaw, who is still on the waiting list to get her knees done. And Roxanne Pruitt asks that we pray for her 81-year-old mom, who is having a pain block put in her back on Monday and would like everything to go smoothly.
Okay, stay tuned for the Critter Cam.
Don't forget we love you. Check out our other channel. We'll be putting a new one up real soon. And bye.
Bye-bye.